Hello everybody, Lana from the attic here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick unboxing. We have a hoodie that came in the mail. Let me go ahead and open it up, and I'll also get into more detail about this um, particular hoodie. I had gotten this off of a promotion um, like about a month ago. So yeah, as you can see from me opening it up, it is a black hoodie, and yep, as you can see, it is. Oh yeah, and then we have a sticker here as well, fast checkout, and yep, that's about it. And then yeah, this is the hoodie over here. This is the fast hoodie. Yeah, let me show you more detail that was on the website that I'd ordered off of the fast store, and it's the fast hoodie. And here is more detail and description. Got this in the black colorway, and I had ordered this in a size 2XL. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video showing the hoodie. Yeah, just from the feel right now, I would say very soft material wise. It's a Bella canvas hoodie, and yep, 2XL, that's what I'd ordered. And you got the the white drawstrings, just your regular black hoodie with the pockets right here. And yeah, that's all I really wanted to do. Nothing too crazy, not much detail, I would say. But yeah, overall, it's looking great. Have no complaints about it. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video, doing an unboxing slash unpacking, and just see it in person. So yeah, that's all I have to show you guys for today. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you.